So I picked up this 8-ton log splitter from Northern Tool Company. It's Powerhouse is the brand, and 8 tons of splitting force. When you get it, comes in a rectangular cardboard box. It has a wooden panel at the bottom, has straps holding it. So I cut the straps, got it all out. When you get it out, it comes with a couple of wrenches to help you with assembly, 17 millimeter and 13 millimeter. Comes with a hex or Allen wrench. Comes with the instruction booklet. Instructions aren't very good, as people have said in the reviews. Usually I think they don't come with hydraulic fluid. This is the one I got off of Amazon. This is a gallon, so it's supposed to take 3/4 of a gallon. And this is 22 weight, and it's about $25. So pretty good deal. When I got this, this piece here was a little loose. I think that's probably how they come. And you can adjust this piece where this lever is over here if you want, or over here, or maybe even over here. But I put it in the front, got it tightened with this Allen wrench. And these pieces are not attached, so you have some 17 millimeter nuts you tighten. And let's see what else. So you may have to add oil. This one had oil in it. It may have been a return. Somebody bought it, fired it up, didn't like it. I don't know, because usually they say there's no oil in it. I've heard a couple of reviewers say that theirs came with oil. A little suspicious about this. I don't really know its condition. And with a hydraulic system, you want to be a little bit careful because they're under a lot of pressure. So I've got it ready to start. Here's the start switch here. I'm going to plug it in and do it from a distance with an extension cord, just in case there's some kind of problem. Make sure that it pressurizes okay, and then we'll check it out, and we'll do a little bit of crushing, make sure this is working. I'm going to plug it in. That's the motor pressurizing everything. Let's see if the ram moves okay. Seems to be pretty smooth. Come back up. So if you let go, it goes to neutral, stops. You have to manually bring it back up. Come back down. It seems like good, smooth operation. Don't see any leaks anywhere. Not very noisy as compared to some other models, and also as compared to gas operated. That's the rams all the way up. So I don't have a log, unfortunately. I'm just going to put a piece of pine. Should be able to split this pretty easy. So it seems good. Everything seems to be working right. Power's up good. All the lines look tight. I just thought it might have been maybe used before. There was a couple of scratches, but maybe not. Maybe that's just the way it comes. So when you assemble it, you need to, it comes with these nuts. Put this on, put this one on, and then the switch is all connected, but it's not mounted yet. So These are mounting bolts to hold on the motor. So on one side, you undo those, put this blue plate in position, put the bolts back on that holds on the switch. You could also mount this with it pointing up, just depends on what you want to do. And this can be laid down on a horizontal plane or vertical. It works apparently great both ways. I put this on upside down. This is actually should be pointing the other way. Just take out these screws. It also, when it comes, it doesn't have this piece yet. This is a nice little sight glass, help you see if your oil level's okay. And let's see what else. So that's about it. Pretty happy with how it works. There's some of the scratches I noticed when it came, but could be just how it was packaged. I did notice when I got it, the delivery company I thought was really good, very professional. It's delivered here to California. Has this nice tightening knob to hold the cylinder in place, but on the other side, it did get banged up during delivery at some point, and it broke the plastic, but it's no big deal. You can still easily put a wrench on there. This is where you put in the oil. So on delivery, you need to install this one. You need to make sure it has oil. Again, this one did have oil. You need to figure out if you want this lever to point that way or to the side or to the other side, and then tighten these two screws. And you have to put on these guards, couple of nuts holding those. And once you do that and mount this switch plate, you're ready to go. And you can start splitting wood right away. So hopefully this will help you guys, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments below, and I'll put a link to this product and also a link to this oil so you can get going. I think cost is pretty good on this. For 8 tons of splitting force, I paid like $5.30, I think, from Amazon. It is about, depending on where you are, in my case, it's about $200 for delivery, so you have to factor that in. So about 700, maybe 750 altogether, but quite a bit of force for splitting wood.